What's up guys, Naveen here. Today I'm back with another topic. Today's topic is Club Factory. It's online shopping app. It's Chinese app basically. It's also takes payments by Paytm and it ranges high quality products, clothing, product, products, etc. So let's see Club Factory prices and check out. It's also have an application Club Factory which you can download from Play Store. I will give the link in the description. As you can see, it is asking male or female for gender and it shows accordingly. It's USD in dollar. It's basically Chinese app. Many more interesting products are here. You can check out what you want. You can type here and you can search for it. It's Club Factory. It's like factory for everything. Women's clothing. You can search for women's clothing, what you want. Categories are there. Many more categories are there. Women's shoes. Let's check out some shoes. You can see here. Men's clothing. You see shirts, shorts, t-shirts, belts. You can see men's shoes. You can see here. You can check out women bags, handbags or wallets, what you wish. Check out men bags. You can check out the electronics products. What you want. iPods, headphone, chargers, mobile cover, hand free, portable chargers and all. You can check out the watch. Check out home products. You can get home products. You can select your country. It's available for all countries. You can select your subcategories like festive and party. So account login, you have to sign up if a new user and log in. You can see your orders and balance, coupons, your cards. Alright guys, if you like this Club Factory, go out and shop in the Club Factory app. Also subscribe my channel Naveen K Minds